Go.
We have enough pizza stuff? Look! Funny cake colors! A funny Mario cake? Yes! Super cool! Gotta be soft. Which sugar is sweetest? This one is perfect. Best cake, here we come!
These red ones are perfect.
Red and blue theme.
Matches Mario's shirt.
And silly too.
Look at this big whisk!
Too huge, Zaki.
But it mixes faster!
Needs to match the cake.
Need the eggs now. Whoops! Oh no.
Got it!
Woo!
Gotta be careful!
Almost done!
Good job, robot.
Best team ever!
See you later!
Got everything!
Mario face next!
It'll be super fun!
It'll be super fun.
Let's go, go, go!
Everything laid out.
Chef Zaki is ready!
Step 1. Teamwork.
One step at a time.
Eggs in!
Flour everywhere!
Time to clean it up!
Steady, steady.
Oven's ready.
In you go.
Now we wait.
Smoke! Look! Gotta open it slow! Too hot! Turn it down! Not too hot next time!
Clear the air! That was close. Mistakes happen. We learned a lot.
Level it off. Double check it. Slow and steady. No more burnt cakes.
It's ready!
It's perfect.
Precision worked.
Teamwork fixes everything.
Smooth blue base.
Red trim next.
Looks like Mario's hat.
And his shirt.
Gotta be perfect.
Oh no! It's funny!
It's a special mustache.
Funny mistakes make it special.
A little fixed!
Funny eyes next. It's true art. Every cake is art.
So yummy.
Whoa! Too much sugar.
Only a little taste.
Save it for the cake.
Candles are ready.
It looks so cool!
Need a picture.
Teamwork did this!
Our funny Mario cake.
Tap the like button
And hit subscribe
for more fun!